Hey guys, welcome to the Salt and Speed channel. So day 2 of Steve's trip to MotoGP in Austin. Did you get to see anything in Austin at all?
I saw downtown, but unfortunately only in the morning. Next time I wanna go in the nighttime too.
Yeah, it's been years since I've been to Austin. I saw a couple punk rock shows there when I was a kid, but great city, but I haven't been there forever.
Yeah, this is day 2, Saturday, the qualifying.
What is this guy doing?
I don't know. Actually, this guy.
It's technical riding.
Yeah, some kind of technical riding. You buy the Honda. Yeah, Honda.
Yeah, so obviously Ducati had their setup.
Yeah, the Ducati Honda had a big setup on the side of the track.
I see that you brought your bike parked over here to the side.
Yes, I was thinking to buy it for you, but they said it's too fast, so don't buy it for your bike. In Europe, actually, MotoGP much bigger than here in the US. Yes, and I really like it. Since I was a kid, I'm following MotoGP. I like it so much. Every year, almost every race, 90-95% of the races I'm watching in live.
So how much better was it live than your first live MotoGP race? Right?
Actually, yes, because it's very hard, to get. So, it was very good. Surprisingly, it's better than I thought. That's what it is. The qualifying was Pecco Bagnaia won the qualification, Quartararo second, and Marquez third.
Yeah. Checking out the money bin.
Yeah, actually, that is all kind of good stuff, around the track, and then I know people just try to have fun. Yeah. Obviously, it's like part of the show. The afternoon, after maybe 8 hours on the track, it was really obviously so hot, in Texas still in October, very humid, 95% or over 90% humidity. Was also to just go back to the hotel.
Good to just chill out. Drink
dip into the pool and drink a couple of good Texas beer.
Baby, watch out now. Baby, watch out now. Watch out. I'm on the move, I'm going up. I'm a man on a mission with no missions, and I'm looking for love. Oh, I'm just looking for love. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. 'Cause baby, I feel real good, and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law.
There is a previous show before the MotoGP race, and the military is always present. They have jet fighter,
flying overhead,
flying over the track, and a little music.
So how was the race?
Marquez won the race, my favorite guy. Great time in Texas, going back next year, hopefully. Am I?
I don't know, it depends how well this video does.
The last year, Valentino Rossi racing, for MotoGP. I think 3 races after this one, and then that's it. He's gone. 24 years he was racing in this the MotoGP in this level. He got like 9 championship. Everybody was like cheering him, calling out of his box. It was actually a nice time for the fans as well, just like for Valentino Rossi.
Stay tuned for our next video. Next stop is Daytona Bike Week.